Welcome to this video, where we explore the engine behind modern displays, LTPO technology. We will dive into how this innovation is changing the way our devices manage power and performance. Modern smartphones require fast, smooth screens, but high refresh rates can drain batteries quickly. This presents a major challenge for balancing display quality with device endurance. LTPO, or Low-Temperature Polycrystalline Oxide, solves this problem. This technology automatically adjusts the screen's refresh rate, effectively saving battery power while maintaining a high-quality visual experience. LTPO allows the screen to adapt dynamically to your activity. It can scale up to 120 Hz for smooth gaming, drop to 30 Hz for video, or move to as low as 1 Hz for static images. This performance is achieved by fusing two different technologies. By combining LTPS and oxide materials, engineers create a display that offers both incredible speed and extreme power efficiency. LTPS, or low-temperature polycrystalline silicon, is known for its high electron mobility. This allows the display to handle the rapid switching required for high refresh rates smoothly. The oxide material plays a crucial role by preventing power leakage. Because it maintains an electrical charge longer, it acts like a leak-proof bucket, keeping power where it is needed most. A key advantage of LTPO is that it requires no extra parts. Manufacturers build these transistors directly into the base layer, meaning the screen functions without needing external controllers. When comparing standard AMOLED to LTPO AMOLED, the difference is clear. LTPO offers dynamic refresh rates and higher power efficiency, making it the superior choice for modern devices. By lowering overall power consumption, LTPO significantly extends device endurance. Users can enjoy between 5% and 15% in battery savings throughout their day. Beyond battery life, LTPO improves daily use. It enables smooth gaming, power-efficient always-on displays, and reduced flicker to help minimize eye strain. Today, flagship devices rely on this innovation. Whether it is Apple's LTPO or Samsung's HOP technology, high-end devices are utilizing these advanced screens to deliver a better user experience. By merging silicon and oxide materials, LTPO achieves the perfect balance of speed and efficiency, giving users the maximum visual performance alongside the battery life they expect.